The General Manager for Music Zone, and I'd like to walk you through our new cancellation policy, which is a new feature we just rolled out, giving you more control. Okay, so I'm so grateful to have you with us as a student at Music Zone. The exciting news is we've updated our cancellation policy, giving you more control and options. All right, this update makes things easier and faster for you because you won't need to contact us anymore to cancel lessons, which means you can do it at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even if we're closed. This policy will take effect as of Saturday, 26th of September, 2020. Students will be able to cancel lessons at any time by logging into the My Music Staff portal. I'm going to walk you through how to do this. I just wanted to take the time to explain everything as well. So you now have access to the calendar inside your MMS portal. You can now access the calendar to cancel your lesson, any lesson you're unable to attend. Okay, once you cancel, you'll have 3 makeup lesson options. We'll explain those in section 3. When you cancel a lesson, it's going to add 1 makeup credit to your account. And after that, you can use the makeup credit to register for an open makeup slot. Again, I'm going to show you this in a moment. So please note, you're only allowed 1 makeup credit per month, and makeup credits expire after 30 days. It's your responsibility to redeem your makeup credit within that 30-day time frame. All right, about open makeup slots. A lot of new words for you here. You'll find open makeup slots in the schedule, okay? Open makeup slots are ruby in color and they repeat at the same time each week. A maximum of 2 students can register per open makeup lesson, regardless of the package they're currently on. So if you're on one-to-one or group, when you do an open makeup lesson, there'll be a maximum of 2. Makeup lessons can be booked with any teacher at the student's convenience. So if another teacher is available, you can book your makeup lesson with them if you want. Please note, when any other student cancels one of their regular lessons, that lesson time slot is automatically converted into an open makeup slot, which means it's made available for you to book your makeup lesson in. So check the calendar regularly if you're looking for a time that's different from those pre-scheduled times by us, all right? The cancelling options are as follows. Because cancelling impacts the student's progress and learning, it's not ideal. Cancelling would prefer that you use one of the following options instead. So we have the following options to accommodate listed in order of preference. Depending on the nature of your cancellation, please choose the appropriate one. Now, option 1 is to attend the lesson at the normal time online. So this is useful if you're still available, but you just can't get to Music Zone for whatever reason, perhaps your car broke down or something. Option 2 would be to request a private video tutorial of the scheduled lesson, which allows you to take the lesson in your own time. The teacher will record the learning objective in a video and explain the concepts and create exercises and assignments and send that to you. This is a great option because you can repeat that lesson as many times as you want. It's highly personalized tutorial video. You can fast forward, slow down, speed up, you can watch it in slow motion, and you can do it in your own free time. So the teacher already knows what they're going to teach you in that lesson, so they can just record a video for you of what you're going to learn, and then you can do the exercises in your free time throughout the week. If you're unable to take any of these, then cancel the lesson and book a makeup lesson via an open makeup slot. How to cancel. All right, I'm going to go over to the calendar and show you a little bit about what we just said there. So when you log in, you go to musiczone.ae and then you press login at the top. And it's going to take you to My Music Staff page where you'll put your login and password. If you don't know your login and password, just contact Asya, she'll give it to you, all right? And you'll be automatically taken to the calendar page. This is a demonstration on desktop. It's slightly different on mobile, so I'll make a separate video for that. Here are the open makeup slots I was talking about. This is an open makeup on Sunday at 6:15, and this is on Monday, 7:30 and 8:15. So these open makeup slots are going to repeat at the same time each week, so they'll always be at this time. And as I said, you can have a maximum of 2 people inside. So to join an open make, see here, open 0 out of 2. So you can see there's nobody booked in here yet, and there's a maximum of 2. To book it, you just click on it, this little window pops up, and then obviously it says makeup credit required, and you just click register, okay? And it's going to ask you, are you sure? And then you click the blue register again. All right, then that's it. The teacher will get notified, and you'll also be notified as a reminder to come. Now, about cancelling, if you want to cancel, you have to do the same steps. Log in, musiczone.ae, log in, come here, go to the calendar. Obviously, find the date for the lesson that you want to cancel. So this is the 7th of November. You've got the scroll here, how you can go through the weeks. You can even change to a day, week, or month view of the calendar here, all right? Now, this is my son and this is me. Let's say I want to cancel Luca's lesson at 11:15 on Saturday the 11th. I know he can't make it. I'll just click on his lesson and then I'll click cancel attendance, all right? Now, it's very important to put a small note of what happened, and then you must put one of the three options. If you remember, we have three options here: online, private video tutorial, or just cancelling and doing a makeup. So if you want to still have the lesson at 11:15 a.m. on Saturday the 7th of November, but you can't come to Music Zone, you want it online, just write online. If you're busy at 11:15 on Saturday the 11th of November and you can't make it, but you don't want to do a makeup lesson, you can put private video tutorial, all right? And what's going to happen, the teacher will just, during that lesson when she would normally be teaching you, she'll just record, she'll still teach you, but it'll just be to a camera, and then she'll send you the video, and she'll also send you assignments and exercises for you to do, all right? And then you've got the rest of the week to do it. If for whatever reason you don't want to do online or video tutorial, you want to do an open lesson, just say makeup or something, okay? And then what you'll do is, to confirm it, you'll just click the red yes button. I'll show you what happens. You press yes, then it puts a little X next to your name and it marks you as absent in the schedule. And then it adds 1 makeup credit to your account, which you can then use to book an open makeup slot. And then did you notice here, it added a new lesson, in the schedule here. This is now an open makeup lesson. So this is what I was saying in the schedule here, where it says, when any other student cancels a regular lesson, that time slot is automatically converted into an open makeup slot, which is then made available for you to book. So check the calendar regularly. If you can't make it at 6:15, 7:30, 8:15, it's too late, or you have other plans and you can't make it at that time and you have a makeup credit, check the calendar regularly to see if anyone else cancelled, because Luca cancelled here. Now any one of Music Zone students can book his space just on that day by clicking on the lesson and then clicking register. All right. So these will always be here every week, and then these will appear whenever somebody cancels. So that's it. These are the steps. Like I said, you just log in, you go to the calendar, find the lesson you wish to cancel, click on the lesson, click cancel, and then just mention a note. You must put a note, all right? That's it. And then to schedule the makeup, same thing. Log in, go to the calendar, find the time that you want to schedule, click on it, and click register. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, we're here to help. If you have any doubt or if you need any support on this, you can always contact us. Otherwise, go ahead and manage your own schedule by yourself. You've got full control over it now. Please remember, you have 1 makeup per month and you have 30 days to use that makeup, and try and avoid cancelling if you can. Obviously, these 2 options are there for you to use as well, which can keep the momentum and keep the schedule the same, if you know what I mean. So I hope that helps. I really appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you. Come say hi. Let me know how this video was. Let me know how you like the new policy. Everything we do is to make more value for the students and the teachers, to create a harmonious experience for everybody. It's what I care about as a manager. So I appreciate you, and speak soon.